This reminds me of that one scene that's so satisfying, also a bit sad, but super satisfying in Toy Story 2, when that guy shows up and cleans Woody and just makes him like a shiny new toy. Hey everyone, you're watching With Wendy. I recently had a super successful trip to the thrift store to look for bags. It was great. My eyes keep darting over here because they're piled right here and I'm just like, oh my gosh. I really wanted to make a video talking about how I thrift for bags. It's a topic I don't cover too much on this channel simply because I'm always thrifting clothes that I either fall in love with as is or often end up chopping it up and modifying to see if I can release some new potential in it. So yeah, if you haven't seen those videos, there's plenty of videos of me flipping thrifted items. But today's vid will be all about thrifted cute bags. How I spot them, what I look for in them. We're gonna do a little cleaning because you know the bags aren't always in pristine condition. And if you stick around to the end, there is a special treat. Even though this was a really big and successful bag haul, it wasn't so that I could keep them. I'm gonna put them all up on my website so that you can shop them and have them for yourself. We're repping Shopping Sustainable, repping Cuteness, and repping Bumble Bizz, who is the lovely sponsor for this video. It's an app that I've used a lot to find great networking opportunities in my area, so I will be talking about that a little bit later. But first, to the thrift store. First, I have to stop at a dollar store. I gotta grab some stuff for Dan's birthday party. Someone never actually took their fake Dior out for a spin. I have this hunch, unconfirmed, that coming to shop after Halloween is a good time because all the people who had like random knickknacks for their costumes have decided to donate them.
Take my picture.
Yeah. And we're back. Alrighty, I'm gonna show you the bags that I got and also try to talk through this in like a structured manner. Okay, so first off, this really depends on the type of store that you go to. The Valley Village that I went to, as you might have noticed, organizes items based on color. So, you know, just follow the vibe of whatever the store is handing you. My store was handing me bags organized by color, so that's what I started with. Black bags are pretty easy to match with all your items, but since we're looking for items that have a little bit of where did you get that type of vibe, I wanted to get ones that have a little bit extra in their finish or in their details. So these are the two black bags that I picked out. Voila! This first one is this lovely little pouch, and the details that I appreciated about it is that it's got this really pretty and very durable looking top open, twist it open, it's got a little pocket, soft lining. This fell on the floor while I was checking out and someone was very kind and brought it to my attention. This chain, I think, should be on these loops. That is gonna have to take a little DIY to reassemble that in a nice way. And so the hardware and also how this is just like gently pleated, these were things that made this bag stand out, so I love this one. And then the second black bag I picked is super different, but I still love it a lot. It's this patent croc. The top closure was super sturdy. Love that. Actually, there's something funny going on here that I was trying to figure out. Nope, couldn't figure that out. This I thought was such a like practical working woman type of look. The box cut is so nice. It's got this very good inner zip. The next thing I look for to try to comb through the bag section faster is shape. And this one's like a really great example. I love how it's so boxy. Another bag I picked out that is great for its shape. Let's do, I'm gonna save my favorite for last. Let's do this one. It is genuine Italian leather, I believe. Yeah, made in Italy. It's got all sorts of useful inner pockets. Something that'll tell you that it has potential to last long is details like this that help it to not make full contact with the surface when it's resting. You can carry it as a little handheld purse, but you can also throw it over the shoulder. Again, in the white bag section, I picked up this wild gem. This one is simply precious for its embroidery job It's also got jewels all along the top edge of the handle, just a super extra detail. Oh shoot, this one has little loops for a chain too. I should go get a matching chain for this. One thing that's really nice about thrifted bags is that you can get bags with a little bit of that extra character, and both of these ones have that really nice embroidery thing. This one is teeny tiny. The body of this purse is silver, but the chain is gold, so I might actually swap that out just to help it match a little bit better. But yeah, this is another thing to look for, is embroidery. I definitely went in wanting to find a bright colored bag, and I found it, y'all. This is like carrying a fruit on you at all times. Also in great condition. I don't know if it's practical, but there's 3 zippered openings, so you know, this one is for snacks, cell phone, wallet. I don't know if you will agree, but this one is my favorite. It's so pretty in this very princessy kind of way. I'm very aware, but it's got a very thick and durable handle, this beautiful green quilted design that has just like the slightest bit of sparkle to it, and then from there it just unfolds like so. I feel like this is another situation where I should add a chain option before I make it available online. But I especially love the silver design on the side that is containing and shaping the entire bag. This one's my favorite. So now that you've seen all these bags that I got, let's give them a little refresh. All right, welcome to the kitchen. I've lined up my supplies that I'll be using to help clean the bags. First line of defense, lint remover, in case it's just dust and dirt. Then there's hot water plus dish soap and a gentle rag. And there's an eraser, maybe that will come in useful. There is ear care solution. And as last resort, because I think this one is the most scary out of all of them, good old Tide to Go stick. Let's tackle the black bag first. Where's scissors? If I need to get something, I start doing the hand motion so I don't forget what it is. It's mainly looking like it has a lot of dust, so I'm gonna give it a wipe down first. Wow, that was super effective. There's still a few spots. I think I'm gonna prepare the warm water. Don't make me pull out the Tide to Go on you. Wow, this is so shiny now. Okay. Oh, it's coming off. Kind of makes you feel like all those infomercials about stuff that cleans metal for you are kind of misleading, given how great warm water and soap is able to get the job done. So there's this little food stain right, oh, it's just coming off with my nail. Let's go with the ear care solution. Or should we go with Tide to Go? Okay, let's try Tide to Go first, because this was actually meant for fabric, whereas the ear care solution we're not 100% on.
I am heartbroken. I will never be a YouTube star.
Okay, this one, so it's fine on the outside, looks great, but the inside, I don't know what happened here. Maybe an eyeliner ran loose. I almost want to try makeup remover. Okay, see? All right, let's work on this. Okay, this one's nice and dark. We'll work on this one, see? Okay, I'm coming in with my Bioderma. Wow, okay. I mean, this is not the ideal implement because its surface area is so tiny, but at the same time, I kind of don't want to do broad strokes. I guess what I'm really saying is now it's just going to be like a patience game, but you will probably benefit from this being fast forwarded. That went great. Let's head out, grab 3 silver chains. Just before I got these bags, I actually had a professional photographer come and shoot some more items that are going to go up in my shop. And one really great way to find photographers or other professionals in your area is to use the Bumble Bizz part of the Bumble app. So just like any other Bumble feature, you make your Bumble Bizz profile and then it's going to show you professional connections that are in your area. Swipe left for anyone who is not a match, swipe right if you are a match, and you can start the conversation. This is such an easy way to network with people in your area, and I've used it to find photographers, stylists. If you want to try it out, the Bumble app is free as always. The link is in the description, and that way you won't be like me trying to shoot these bags by myself at home. Don't do this to yourself. Use the Bumble Bizz feature of the Bumble app to find professionals in your area. It's a really fun way to network. Without the help of a photographer, their diffuser, and all of the really great supplies, I just try to use natural light. So this skylight basically splashes onto this wall, and I turned off all the lights in here since these artificial lights have a different color than natural light, and sometimes that can get a little chaotic. I'm just going to take a moment now to get these up on the website, and next time you see them, they'll be ready for you to shop. If you do end up checking out my online shop, there's a couple of other items featured on there too. I've got these beautiful earrings from Biko Jewelry that I love so much. There are items from Fashionary, who is a fashion resource company that you've seen me feature a lot. They make really good reading resources as well as sketching resources to help you get started if you want to be like DIYing and designing your own things. And some of you who are longtime subscribers will remember that I had this like Etsy collab collection that I released last year. I have a few items left from those, so I wanted to give you the opportunity to shop them as well. We got cute little With Wendy pins. This will show that you're a real fan because you remember my blue hair days. You can also shop these really cute rose iron-on patches. Kelsey from the Sorry Girls ironed them right here onto a t-shirt. This super pretty card holder and also a cord keeper. This is such a reality for me because my electronics bag for editing and whatnot is always full of charging cords. There's this linen apron that I love so much. The sleeping bunny was designed, one, in honor of my mom, whose zodiac sign is bunny, and she's the one who taught me how to sew, but also two, that it's sleeping and it's meant for little ones in your life because while they're doing all that sleeping, that is the best time for them to be dreaming big. So this sleeping bunny is dreaming big. All of these items, the bags, the earrings, the books, all this Etsy stuff is available online if you want to shop. I'll put the link in the description. Getting a shop put together was a personal goal of mine for quite a while, and so many really nice people have been looking for ways to support me, either through Patreon, obviously through subscribing, watching, and hitting bell notification. If you want to support me by shopping for these items, that would be really nice too. You're welcome to do so, but you're under no obligation to do so. Either way, I'm super looking forward to mailing these out to everyone who shops, and I will see you all next time. Actually, I'll see you in the comments because we're going to talk about thrifting tips, and I'm eager to eat all of those up. Bye!